Hey, this is Airsoft Boy 321 with Airsoft Review. I'm showing the Airstrike 450. It shoots 250 FPS. Comes with two 12-round standard magazines. Just shove them in there. Magazine release. Safety's right there. Up and down, whatever you want. My little knob broke off, but it's okay. It's spring. I'll shoot it a little bit for you. Sometimes jams. Right there, it just jams. When it jams, stick something down the barrel real quick. Unjams, I'll shoot with paper. Just a little target there. It jammed again, so whatever. Probably won't ever review this gun again. See ya.